Hi everyone. Welcome today. Today is a special day. Today in the daily newspaper of May the 5th on a Tuesday 2020. Actually, it's today a Liberation Day here. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. But also in this newspaper, in the additional, there are 5 or 6 Sudokus. But first, I will solve the regular Sudokus, and then later on, I will finish the additionals. But now I will start with this Sudoku Medium. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see, which number can I use? I see here a 4 in this column, a 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then a 6 in this column, a 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. A 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. Then the following numbers are missing here. Those numbers are the 5, the 9, and the 3. 5, 9, and the 3. And look, we have the 5 here and the 9 here. So this cannot be in this box. That means 1 digit left should be the 3. So here we have the 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. Remember that I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright, then let's see. Yes, in this big square, the 3 missing numbers are the 5, the 2, and the 8. And look, we have the 8 and the 5 here. So no 8 and a 5 in this box. 1 digit left. For this box should be the 2. Here we have the 5 and the 8. 5 and the 8. Also a pair. So we have a 5 in one of these boxes in this column. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Then how about these 3 numbers? The missing numbers here. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. How about, let me see, the 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in this box. Here also a 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. Only 1 place for the 1 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 here. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. In this big square, we have an 8 over there, no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 should be this one. 2 boxes left in the middle big square for the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. The 2 missing numbers are the 2 and the 6 in this row. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be here. 1 box is left in this big square for the number 3. Then 2 boxes left in the middle row. For the numbers 2 and 4, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Then we have a 2 in the first column, a 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. The 9, yes. Oh my, we have a 9 here. Yes. These 3 boxes, the missing numbers are the 3, the 7 and the 9. The 3, 7 and the 9. And I remember in this column, the numbers 9 and the 5 are missing. So in this big square, we have a 9 here. So here cannot be a 9, cannot be a 3. So 1 digit left for the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then how about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the first column, the 7, the 8 and the 9 are missing in the first column. And look, we have an 8 here, no 8 here. Here also an 8, no 8 there. 1 box left for the 8, should be there. And the other 2 numbers I cannot fill. Need to wait for more information. How about these 2 numbers of this big square? For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 7 are missing. The 6 and the 7, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then how about 6, 7, 9? these three numbers in the last column. The three numbers, the missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7, and the 9. The 6, 7, and the 9, 6, 7, and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 here. So one digit left should be the 6. So here we have the 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. How about these two numbers in this column? The missing numbers here are 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 8 is missing. And look, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. How about these two numbers in the last row? The two missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Yes. And then we go to the 8 in the first row, the 8 in the third row, so the row between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And now, let me see, the 9, 5, and the 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 is missing, yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 here. No 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then, I see a 5 in the third row, a 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. One of the missing numbers in these 4 boxes, in this big square, is the number 9. I see here the 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be this one. 1 box left in this first column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Then can we go to, no, we cannot go to the 9. How about the 9 and the 3 and the 6? Yes, these are 3 numbers in the third row. The 3 numbers, the missing numbers are the 3, the 6, and the 9. Yes, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. The 3 and the 9 are missing. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box missing in this big square for the number 9. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then how about these 3 numbers? The missing numbers here are the numbers 2, 3, and 2, 3, and the 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. The 3, we have here a 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 digit left for the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 9, I believe. Yes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have now a 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. For this Sudoku Medium, could be faster. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe. If you like or if you want, hit that bell to be notified by YouTube. The bell icon, yes. If you want to be notified by YouTube when there are new coming Sudokus by me. Further, download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and see you the next time. Keep on puzzling, people. Alright, bye bye for now.